All right, part 3 says same supplies as 1 and 2, nothing new. Excellent. Says here, 4 steps. Step 1, when the limit switch is pressed and released. So the button switch is pressed in and release. It's a press and let go. That's called until bump. So it's until bump, the motor is to start and continually run at a speed of 55. Let's code that one. So it says in the button it's pressed and released. It's an until bump. The motor is going to start and run at 55. So it's going to start and run at 55. Okay, part 1's done. There's no wait time. This says continually run. 1 is done. 2 says the switch is pressed and held in. So this is going to be a press and hold. So as long as it's held in, when it's held, it's called until touched. The motor is going to reverse directions and run at a speed of 88. So that's saying I click it, it runs at 55. I hold it in, it runs for backwards 88. Let's code that part. That's going to be an until touch. Until touch. It's going to start and run backwards. Negative 88. So start and run backwards 88. So again, I click the switch. It runs and runs and runs and runs. I hold the button in, it backs up. The longer I hold the button in, the longer it's going to back up. A quick click, it'll run for a short time. What's next? 3 says the switch is let go. So here it's held in, now it's being let go. It's going to resume original direction at 55. So it's back to the normal speed again. So the button is let go until release. Now it's going to start and run original direction, speed of 55. So here we got step 1, clicked and runs. Step 2, it's held in, it backs up. Step 3, it's let go, it runs forward. And last, it says when the switch is pressed and released until bump, the motor stop program ends. Okay, let's go back to it. Now when it's pressed and released until bump, the motor stops and the program ends. So I have my switch in digital port 1 called go. Motor still called Steve. That's still called go. Motor still called Steve. That one's called go. That one's called Steve. And go and Steve. That actually makes sense. So let's try it once. Plug my robot back in. Power it up. Okay. Download the robot. See what happens. Okay, now hit start. So nothing should happen. So it's saying as long as I hold the button in, the motor's going to run forever and ever and ever and ever. Try it once. Click it in. It's going to run and run and run and run until I hold the button in. Then what happens here? Going backwards. I let it go for until release. Go forward again, and I click to stop it. Let's find out kind of a faster cycle. I can go click to start, hold for reverse, let go forward, click stop. Okay. Go slower cycle. I click to start it, hold for backwards, let go forward, powered off. There's lab number part 3. Good luck.